Hi guys, I'm Deeksha Shetty. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a JOMSO Saree unboxing. Now I've already done 2 unboxing videos from the same site. If you guys want to check that out, I'll give the link somewhere here. And if you guys have not subscribed to my channel and if you like what you watched, then please do consider subscribing and sharing the video. Now without wasting time, let's get started. This is how they send the product. I think the courier or the packaging is really nice. So without wasting time talking about the packaging, let me just open this up. This is what I ordered. It's a sea blue colored netted saree. Looks really nice. So let me just open this up. So here's the fabric for the blouse. So it is attached to the saree. It comes in this net fabric and is like a beautiful red and golden embroidery. It's very beautiful, very nicely made. And for the back of the blouse, here's the fabric. I think there's around 0.80 meter of fabric for your blouse, which I think is a regular standard size.
A very close-up picture of blouse embroidery. You can actually see the clarity of the design, and the thread used are also of a very good quality, and you won't find any random threads hanging. And sorry guys, I thought the embroidery is for the neck, but it is to be stitched near the bust area. And in the original picture they have shown rhinestones, whereas the product which I got was just plain embroidery.
And the best part is they've included a skirt fabric as well, colored satin fabric. The fabric is very good and looks like a very nice quality. Now coming to the saree.
They have provided around 1.5 to 2 meters of fabric for the skirt.
Like I've already told you guys, the saree fabric is very soft and nice, and it has got this beautiful golden, silver and pearl design. Now if my camera is not focusing, I'll give a very close-up picture of this. It has like the same design going on all throughout its border, and then in between there's like this pearl, golden pearl stuck. Quality of the pearl is nice. So the pearl detailing is all throughout the body of the saree, and it's like the softest fabric. It's not at all heavy, very lightweight. Even this is not at all heavy. Finishing is very good. You can see that.
Here's the close-up of the saree fabric. The border you see is so well made, the design is so elegant, and the pearls are stuck using good glue, so not a single pearl came or fell off. And comparing the saree shown on the website and the product I got, trust me guys, this is a gorgeous saree, exactly like how it is shown in the pictures.
Coming to the site, it is very easy to order this product. You can either WhatsApp them and place the order, or they do have a separate website called jomso.com. And second thing is they do have a cash on delivery option, which is good. If you don't want to use your card, then you can opt for cash on delivery for this. And they have very easy return. Like if you are not satisfied or if you get a defected piece, then you can actually send it back to them within 7 days. You just have to mail them and they will send their delivery person to collect. Like the product, you can get a credit note. You can return the product and they'll give you a credit note which is valid for a long time, so you can purchase anything else from their site. And their customer service is really nice. If you have any problem, you can just WhatsApp them. Price, the original price was 2,500 rupees and the discounted price was 1,490, which I think is a great deal. I really like the fabric, the design, the color, and moreover it looks exactly like how it is shown in the picture. I'm really happy with my purchase, and if you guys want to purchase this or you want to check the product, then I'll give the link in the description box below. And that's it guys. I hope you liked today's review. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below below, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.